I'll be showing you how you can do your own sole protectors without paying 30 bucks like most places are charging. I'm HJ, stick around if you want to see where I got these sole protectors and how easy it is to apply them. First up, make sure that you have some brand new shoes or at least shoes that are very clean. You'll have your film and make sure that you flip it so then you're tracing onto the paper side. You can use a pen, a pencil, a Sharpie, but keep in mind if you do use a Sharpie, you have to be careful so you don't accidentally color on your shoe. As I traced it, I didn't go really close to it, so you want to leave like 1/4 of an inch so then it will come up a little bit on the sides just to cover the sole, and then you get to peel it carefully. As you place it, if you do put it down and it's not completely perfect, if it's off center a little bit, you can keep on readjusting it. You just don't want to do that too many times. But here you can see all the items that I purchased and they're in the description below. You can check it out. $35, I did 3 sets, so 3 different pairs of shoes I can do. Now I am a men's 10 or a women's 11.5. If you have really big feet, might not work out. You can still look at the dimensions of the big sheet of film that you get because it might still work for you. I used an embosser for about 45 seconds on this. You can also use a hairdryer on the hottest setting. You can also use a heat gun, but keep in mind, if you use a heat gun, if it's too hot, you can have sole separation, which would kind of defeat the purpose of trying to protect your soles in the first place. But if you do have a heat gun, just do it for the lowest setting on the heat gun for like 20 seconds. And if you look really close, you can see that toe there. I didn't get up as high as I would like to. I tried my best. Looking back, I wish I would have done a little bit bigger because you can always then cut it later. But if you cut it too small to start with, you're kind of screwed. I've seen 2 different companies that sell sole protectors for more expensive, and they actually have the film that you apply has the grip tape to it. So you don't need to do 2 different steps, which is good and it could be bad. It depends on if you want people to definitely know that you have sole protectors on or not. If you purchase from them, you can see it on your shoe very easily as you walk. But this, you'd have to be like flipping your shoe up for people to really even notice that you have sole protectors on. This was an experiment, so I wanted to see if I can get cheap sole protectors and compare them. So one has a grip tape, one does not have the grip tape. If you do put grip tape, which I highly recommend because I would have busted my face if I did not have grip tape on it. If you wear grip tape on them, you should not wear them on your floors inside your home. You could damage the floors and that would not be good. Now, keep in mind that I did apply them on the 28th, and about 2 weeks later with the grip tape, it did peel off. Now, I did wear it pretty much every single day. The one with sole protector only is dirty on the top because I did wear them a little bit too long. You can see the difference, though, between the dirt and the perfection of the middle of the shoe. So grip tape is way safer. It is only good for about 15 wears. Would not wear them if the weather is garbage outside. In my shorts video, I had people asking, does this leave a sticky residue on the shoe? And it does not. Your shoes are nice and clean. Click that subscribe button and drop a comment, good or bad. I don't really care. I just want to hear your honest opinions. Let me know what type of videos you'd like to see next. Give me some good ideas and I'll go ahead and I will do them. Thank you guys. And as always, happy creating.